My name is Kai and welcome to a day in the life of a sneaker reseller. Now, as I know, I've been slacking on the videos, but we're back for good. Now we have had some pairs come, so let's unbox them. And also, check this, I'm mic'd up now. The Amamania 4s literally came yesterday and I got lucky. Essentially, I've seen a lot of people get their pairs and their quality has been whack. These are sitting around the £300 to £400 mark, so I'm making a nice £200 profit. Another banger drop that did release recently. This is the Jordan 1 Lost and Found. I don't need to talk about this shoe anymore. You've probably seen it all over the internet. It's got the cracked leather, the used bottom, cracked leather on the toe box. That's probably a better. We got a fair couple pairs of these. I have already sold a lot of them, so I've only got 2 pairs left, and one of them are personal. Here's another box of them. Next up, a personal, I'm gonna have to put on feet, the Dunklo SB's Wide So Sad. Now this is a fire shoe. Now I wish I could sit here and say I got this myself, but I didn't. Big thank you to Shiv for sorting me out for retail. The reason why I say half an L is because I got a pair a week later when I won a raffle draw. So I still didn't take an L. Next up, the Dunklo Team Reds. Not much to say about these. Now, I bet you're thinking, how did I get a new pair of these? These are the Midnight Navies, and guess what? Your boy won on JD raffles. They did their raffle later. Why? Who knows? And also, as you love to see, some more Panda Dunks. I hate to say this, but Panda Dunks have got to be shoe of the year, let's be honest. I hate the actual shoes, but the amount of money you can make and the amount of stock that's produced, they're so easy to get. And one more box, which is actually empty at the moment because I was an idiot and left the shoes downstairs. But they're the black canvases that are also personals. So we're gonna add them to our stock list. What have we got to do now? Well, I've got some sales to prepare, so that's what we're gonna do. Now, as you can see, I've actually somewhat organized all the pairs. Not that you probably want to know, but I've kind of got Yeezy slides, miscellaneous Yeezys, Travis, Jordan 1, hyped up Jordan 1, so these are mostly stage hazes, Jordan 4 infrareds, military blacks, and then some miscellaneous Jordan 1s, foam runners over there, canvas Jordan 4s there, miscellaneous Yeezys there, and Dunks there, and then some more miscellaneous. Let's go sort these sales out. Wow, isn't it mad? You can still hear me over here. First up, Jordan 4 blank canvas, found it. 4 military black, found it. Infrared 8.5, found it. Jordan 4 canyon purple, found it. Jordan 1 mid fire red, Guardian. Stage haze UK 10, got it. Marina UK 10, big bricks. Can you see them? Yeah, I don't have them. Sesame 11.5, Guardian. Ash Pearl 7.5. Ash Pearl 7.5. Dunklo Panda. Ever since I left the city, you started weighing less and going now more. Onyx foam runner 7. First try. Black slide. That's 10 Onyx. You and me, we just don't get along. I say sold, they're not quite sold yet. So all of the sneakers I just named, that includes all the Jordan 4 infrareds, military blacks, blank canvas, foam runners, slides, 350s. I will actually be live auctioning these on the Voct app. Voct is an app I've been using quite a lot recently to sell a lot of my pairs, and it also blesses a lot of people who want to buy pairs because they tend to give it a lot cheaper than the market price. For example, the Midnight Navies, if the retail market's around £300, they'll get started on auction for around £210, and if you win the auction, they get shipped straight to you. I will leave a link in the description if you want to join my streams. Basically, download the app, follow me on there so you know when I'm streaming on there and doing all the auctions. But I do it always once a week, usually on the weekend. As you can probably tell, it is very late at night. I'm now going to spend some time raffle buying. Alright, I do apologise if the mic quality isn't as good, but now it's 3 PM. This is what I'll do now. For the next 3-4 hours, I will edit videos. So I edit all of my videos myself. I used to have an editor, however at the moment, I do it all myself. So I'll edit some videos, and obviously we're going live on the Voct app at 7 PM. We'll auction some sneakers. Hopefully you can see that. It is now 20 to 7. We smashed out the editing. I think we edited about 3 TikToks and started this video as well. We started editing from yesterday. But we go live in 20 minutes for the Voct app, and I nearly just walked into all the shoes. I'll show you the setup and how it works. So all of the shoes you see here and here, essentially we're gonna auction them all off for a lot cheaper. It's 20 minutes before and everyone in the chat is getting hyped up. But yeah, we're starting in 20 minutes. That's all of the stock we're gonna be auctioning. So let's do this. that is the stream done. It went really well. We sold like 8 pairs of sneakers, so I'm happy with that. So we're gonna get these boxed up, shipped off. Like I said before, all these sneakers I cop for retail and I resell them and make profit on the resale. So guys, if you haven't already, just start sneaker reselling. If you are interested in starting to learn how to start sneaker reselling, well, I do run a group where I teach many different people how to start sneaker reselling like yourself. Whether that's the basic information such as how to get your hands on the sneaker and resell them, or whether you're looking to take it serious and you want to start botting, our group covers everything you need to know. I'll drop a 25% off the first month if you are interested just for this video. Use code PEN. Use code PEN for 25% off your first month. Like I said, we have loads of different members where we teach them all how to start sneaker selling and advance their reselling business with a lot of proven success. We have got SneakerCon coming up, and as you can see here, I've got a hell of a lot of stock that I need to sort. But that's going to be a tomorrow's job. Jesus, I look rough. It's the morning, new day, we got to ship some shoes off. But first, we had a delivery from Nike. Sweet. The world's best shoes. Some GS Panda Dunks that we won on Nike. I've been up in my Nike game recently and I've been doing all right. We've got some Panda Dunks, and I also hit this morning. There were some other Dunks that dropped, but there was really, really low stock, and I still copped. Many people didn't. And how did I get the stock numbers? Do KaiKicks Apprentice. But yeah, let's get these shoes shipped off. 8 pairs to ship off. Let's get started. Boxes have been packed up. So we got blank canvas Jordan 4, military blacks, infrareds, all Jordan 4s, Yeezy Slide Flax, Yeezy Slide Onyx, green glow slides, and Jordan 1 mid fire reds, all sold for very, very nice profit. Let's go get these shipped off. I'm already shattered and it's the morning, man. On our way to drop off the shoes. I'm absolutely starving, so I have to get some food after that. But I did just want to have a little segment in this video, just talking about sneaker reselling in general. And obviously, I do run the group, so I teach a lot of people how to sneaker resell. And when I make YouTube videos, I don't want to create the wrong impression. To start sneaker reselling as a side hustle, make a couple £100, make a couple thousand sometimes a month, is very viable sneaker reselling when you're first starting off. However, to make a full-time income from sneaker reselling, you're talking like 30, 40, 50 grand a year. That's not going to come easy. It's not an easy thing to do full time. It's just like any other business. But what I will say is if you're actually willing to work hard, you can make a nice amount side income. But please do just remember, you do have to put work in. People that you see are doing very well are putting work in. There's people who hit more shoes than me, people who make more money selling shoes than me. But I want to keep advancing. Like, I love the game. I love the sneaker game. I want to hit more shoes. I want to make more videos. I want to be more entertaining to people. Like today, for example, we sold 8 pairs today, and the profit on them shoes are very good. I'm not going to lie to you. Hit more shoes today, profit was on them. But yeah, that was just my take on it. If you do really want to do something, you can make good money on it, but it's not going to come easy, like any other business. We have got SneakerCon coming up, and as you can see here, I've got a hell of a lot of stock that I need to sort. But that's going to be a tomorrow's job. Do some raffle botting, then prepare for SneakerCon, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog for SneakerCon, because that's going to be some insane footage and I'll be recording all of it. SneakerCon is on Saturday the 10th of December. Definitely recommend if you can come. It's in London at the Olympia Arena. I'll have my own stall, so come say hello if you are coming. Apart from that, that is going to be the end of the day in the life. Hope you have enjoyed. Please let me know all the feedback down below. Comments, like, everything you'd like to join the cook group, then top link down in the description below. Use code PEN for 25% off. See you guys in the next one.